Hello, hello, Virgo Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo para sa inyong monthly reading for May 2025. Naku, Mayo na. Ano po yung mga plans nyo, wishes, ano yung mga gusto nyo maganap this month, o mga inaasahang mga milestone and goals na gusto nyong matupad ngayong buwan na ito. Gamitin nyo po ang aking comment section at isulat nyo po dyan bilang inyong manifestation board. And para makuha po ng spirit guides niyo ang inyong frequency, mga bagay na gusto yung maganap, ma-attract nyo po yan. And kaya feel free po to write your wishes, plans, manifestations sa aking comment section para sa buwan ng Mayo. Tulad po nakagawian, kunin nyo lang po yung mga bagay na makaka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Virgos po yun. Kaya talasan nyo po ang inyong intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na kaloob po sa inyo na inyong mismong spirit guides sa ating reading for today. Thank you po again for the likes, for the shares, for the subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. Especially din po sa mga nagdo-donate. Thank you po again sa inyong suporta po sa James Tarot PH. So mga kapwa ko Virgo, ano ang naghihintay sa atin ngayong Mayo? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Magician card. Wow, beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Two of Cups. Ooh. In the area of what you need, you have the Ace of Swords. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang Temperance card. Wow, ang iyong matyagang paghihintay, andyan na. In the area of your near future, meron kang Strength card. Lovely. In the area of your challenge this month, Virgo, meron kang Two of Wands. In the area of your fortune, meron kang the Lover's card. Wow, this is really a time for love, especially dalawang beses lumabas ang love cards here. Pauna, congratulations, pauna. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang Page of Cups. Beautiful, a huge surprise. And the outcome for this month, Virgo, meron kang the Seven of Wands. Beautiful, pag-usapan natin later. But first, at the bottom of your deck, you have the Hermit card. Tayo to, Virgo. The Hermit. This time, ano yung mga bagay na parang hinahanap mo? I'm hearing this is the month na lalabas ang mga kasagutan sa mga bagay na matagal mo nang minimithi, hinahanap na mga kasagutan. If you're searching for love, if you're searching for the right project, searching for the right moment sa pagtupad ng mga balak mong gawin, o kaya if you're thinking, kailan yung milestone for me, this is the month for you, especially lumabas ang ating very special card with the Hermit card. Andun yung star, nasa loob lang ng lantern natin. Nasa kamay na natin yung mga pangarap natin, yung mga mithiin natin. And now is the right time for us to claim the things sa mga gusto nating matupad, gusto nating maabot, at gusto nating ma-accomplish this month. So congratulations sa ating lahat, Virgo. Ang birthday ko po ay September 18. Kayo po, ano po ang birthday ninyo? Comment down below. And saan parte po kayo ng Pilipinas o mundo nanonood ng ating vlog for today. So start na tayo, mga kapwa ko Virgo, with your reading. At the core, you have the Magician card. You have the power this time. The magnificent power to create what you want this time. May plano ka bang mag-abroad? May plano ka bang gawin tong project na ito o bumuo ng negosyo na ito? Anything in your power, nasa iyo ang lahat ng tools this time. Lahat ng kakailanganin mo na mga bagay, gamit, even physical and mental readiness nasa iyo. Your manifestation power is very strong this time. Kaya kung ano man po yung mga matagal mo nang tinry i-manifest, ituloy mo yan this time, especially pagpasok ng Mayo, para mas ma-attract mo yung frequency ng mga bagay na gusto mo. Especially with the Hermit here, nasa background natin ang ating malakas na kapangyarihan ng ating sign. We're seeing here na papalapit mo nang makuha yung mga bagay na minimithi mo, kasagutan. Siguro may mga bagay sigurong clouded sa life mo nito mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang taon. And this time around, nandyan na yung parang clear message sa'yo. Parang biglang lilinaw yung daan, biglang lilinaw yung mga bagay na gusto mo makuha. Everything will come to us very quickly, very smoothly. I don't think or I don't see you forcing things. I don't see you struggling to get what you want. Especially sa usaping puso, may dalawang bagay ka dito. May darating this time para sa mga Virgo singles dyan na naghahanap ng pag-ibig. This time is the right time for you para buksan ang iyong mundo, ang iyong sarili, ang iyong puso sa pag-ibig. For others dyan na may mga karelasyon naman ng Virgos, nakikita ko na magiging maganda ang inyong relasyon with your partners. And for others naman dyan na parang hindi pag-ibig ang concern. I'm seeing here na yung kung ano man yung mga choices mo in life, it will go very, very successful this time. So congratulations, Virgo. This is like blessed month for all of us. The Magician is being clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, an opportunity, pwedeng trabaho, pwedeng negosyo, but mostly monetary ito. Pera, kaching-kaching. Something that beneficial sa ating mga pangangailangan this time. Material things, pwedeng bahay, kotse, ganyan. Kung ano po yung mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan mo this time, papalapit na ang sagot, eto na yon. I'm seeing ko meron ka mga balak na ginagawa. Maybe that was the right time to i-try magloto, join contests, gumawa ng mga bagay kung saan ikaw ang mag-reign supreme at ikaw ang magtatagumpay because the Magician power is strong here. I'm seeing talaga winning the gold medal, getting that award, getting that goal, ikaw ang bukod tanging makakakuha, ganyan. So, now is the right time to really bet on yourself and try things na matagal mo lang gustong gawin. Okay? In the area of what you want, you have the Two of Cups, nakatulad din na Lover's card. The Two of Cups is like meeting your higher self. Maraming ibig sabihin si Two of Cups. Meeting your higher self, ibig sabihin kung ano yung mga plano mo dito sa lupa, yun din ang plano ng higher self para sa'yo. So you're aligned with your higher self. Meaning, kung ano yung gusto talaga nilang ipagawa sa'yo, yung mga powers above, yun ang gagawin mo. Yun ang mamanifest mo this time around. Ibig sabihin lang nun, in other words, kung ano yung destined mong gawin, yun ang gagawin mo this time, and no one can stop you from acquiring it. Kung ano yung sayo, nakatadahanang para sayo ay nakatadahanang para sayo. For others, love is here. May paparating na tao sa buhay mo na talagang mamimit yung standard na sinaset mo para sa life mo. Ang tagal mo naghanap for this person, so this time, mamimit mo na siya at mahanap mo siya. And you'll be very, very glad kasi parang lahat na nasa checklist mo nakikita ko ay mamimit mo na this time. For others, I'm seeing more love or bond sa inyong mga karelasyon dyan. Kung meron kayong mga lovey-dovey dyan at this moment, titibay ang relasyon at magkakaroon kayo ng mas matibay na ugnayan. But for others na trabaho ang concern sa ating reading, I'm seeing contracts because ito ay agreement between two different people. So meron kayong kontrata or negotiation will go in your favor. Makukuha mo na yung matamis na oo kung kayo ay may mga kliyente. Halimbawa, nagbebenta ka ng bahay, nagbebenta ka ng kondo, nagbebenta ka ng lupa, ganyan. So, the answer will be yes mula doon sa taong iyong kliyente and you will get the result that you want. I'm seeing here, have a clear communication this time, have Virgo, with the people that you love, with the people na pinapahalagahan ninyo so that nakuha mo yung desired mong outcome at hindi ka rin masyadong ma-misinterpret by the other people. Clear communication is what I'm seeing here. The Two of Cups being clarified by the Six of Cups. May mga bagay daw in the past, Virgo. It's either meron ka ng gustong iwan, kaya parang solo ka this time with the Hermit card na parang meron ka ng gustong iwan na tao in the past and now you are ready to mingle, you are ready to find new love. Or for others, meron mga bagay in the past na bit mo so that this agreement with a certain business partner or certain kanegosyo o katransaction ay hindi na nangyari in the past. I'm seeing you as a parang empowered and experienced business person. Alam mo kung ano yung gagawin because marami ka ng karanasan in the past. But for others, I'm seeing talaga here that you are learning from the things na pinagdaanan mo. Your childhood memories, even your past experiences, parang this time, hindi na siya ganun kabigat at hindi na ganun kasakit. Parang nagagamit mo siya as inspiration for you to really have this good connection with other people. So, congratulations. In the area of what you need, you have the Ace of Swords here. Ang kailangan mo daw, Virgo, ay clear mind. Ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin? Ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-manifest? Make sure that what you want to manifest is something that you truly want to have in your life. Kasi baka mamaya nabubulagan lang tayo sa ganda ng pangarap o sa promise ng mga bagay na gusto natin makuha. Pero in reality, we don't really know kung talaga bang gusto natin yon. So make sure this time daw dapat malinaw ang isip in the pursuit of what you really want para ma-manifest mo yung tamang bagay na gusto mong makuha. Kasi yung frequency niya na-attract mo. So make sure that you have that clear intention, clear mind, always positive, no time for negativity. And also, I'm hearing for other Virgos, communication. Especially, we have two lovers card here. Clear communication with that person na gustong-gusto mong madagit o makasama this time. Make sure that you have the good communication skills. Yun daw kailangan mong aralin o i-enhance this month. Okay? The Ace of Swords being clarified by the Devil card. Like I've said kanina, no to negativity, no to thinking too harsh on yourself. Everything will go out in your favor. Make sure din na hindi ka rin papabitag o tawag dito, mahuhulog sa kandungan ng mga taong toxic o hindi totoo ang intention sa'yo. That's why maybe dito nakasulat din na have a very, very clear mind this time to spot, para madali mong makita kung sino yung mga hindi para sa'yo, hindi totoo sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng pag-ibig this time, yung mga red flags mo in the past, na mga red flags na naranasan mo before, use those as your parang sign para hindi ka na mahulog sa mga taong ay alam mo na kung ganito siya, alam mo na kung hindi yan, hindi ka na lalapit dyan kasi malinaw ang isip, yung past ginamit mo in your connection with other people. So beware of other people that are not good to you, hindi malinaw ang intention sa'yo, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang Temperance card. Itong power nito ang naka-apekto sa current energy mo, meaning your patience, your pursuit of balance, parang balanse ang buhay mo this time. Tinatry mo na parang you're working and also you're having this recreational every day. Hindi mo minamadali ang proseso, naiintindihan mo na everything takes time. I'm hearing bunga to ng, I don't know why, wisdom nating mga Virgo. We know how things work. We know sometimes that this is the lesson I need to understand, I need to learn in life so that ma-acquire mo yung mga tamang bagay for you. And with a very, very long process, parang tumagal na mga 1-2 taon, ang tagal mo nag-isip o naghintay na parang, God, give me what I want. Give me the answers to the things na hinahanap ko sa buhay ko. I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to work hard for it. Na-embody mo si Temperance here. Nagtiyaga ka, naghintay ka, dinaanan mo yung proseso, hindi ka nag-shortcut. You manifested everything, pinagdasal mo at ayun, lumabas sa bundok. And here it's now. Dito na, manifest mo na yung mga bagay na hinihiling mo at ito yung minanifest mo with the Ace of Pentacles. This is the blessing na kaloob sa iyo ni God at kailangan mo tong bitbitin, ingatan at palakihin, okay? The Temperance cards being clarified by the Four of Wands. I'm seeing celebration. You want to reach a milestone. Meron ka nang naiisip na goal or a threshold or a finish line. Meron kang gustong buuin meron kang gustong maabot this time na plano, whether graduation or getting that job, going there, meeting this person. Meron kang parang gino-goal na checklist parang ito kailangan ko to maabot this time, kaya nagtsatsaga ka sa mga bagay na mahirap o pinipilit mo araw-araw, tinatrabaho mo. Grind tayo ng grind everyday, kahit pagod, kahit inaantok na, o kahit hindi na kaya, pero hindi, gagawin ko pa to. Babangon ako at kukunin ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko because I have this goal. At hindi nawala sa isip mo yung goal na yan. Very clear sa isip mo kung anong gusto mo. But dito talaga, karoon ka daw ito ang kailangan natin this time. Puturin ang connection sa mga taong alam nating no. O kaya sa mga habits or paniniwala na no sa buhay natin. So make sure that this time clear of mind. Pero yung mga bagay na gusto mo, alam mo malinaw sa atin kung ano yung gusto natin Very tayo Virgo, goal-oriented tayo. Once we want something, we want something. Pag ayaw na natin, ayaw na natin. Pero this time, I'm seeing you really have this clear understanding of what you want to have, the goal that you want to reach. And this time, nagtiyaga ka, and then here it is. So, ito na ang manifestation and the blessing. In the near future, tumawid tayo, you have the number 8. Number 8 is abundance. So, doon pa lang, sobrang swerte na natin. The Strength card, I'm seeing here na pag daw dumating ang manifestation na ito, halimbawa, nakuha mo na yung right job, blessings, tinatrabaho mo siya, be consistent. That's what I'm hearing. Be consistent in taking care of this blessing. Baka mamaya naghayahay ka na o nagpakakampante ka na porque nakuha mo na yung gusto mo, porque nakuha mo na yung mga pinagdasal mo at hinanap mo at yung mga sagot na nakuha mo from God. And then ikaw, wala na, hayahay ka na, punta ka na dito, party ka na dyan. So, sinasabi sa'yo ng Strength card, have the ability and the stronghold ng panghawakan yung blessings. Be consistent in the pursuit of this para maging long-lasting yung epekto sa'yo ng blessings at yung manifestation na binigay sa'yo ni God. This time around, you have the ability to do this, kaya huwag madidistract, huwag panghihinaan na loob, huwag lumaylay yung energy mo para panghawakan ang manifestation na ito. Matagal mo tong dinasal, matagal mo tong hiningi, kaya wala ka dapat reason na maging pabaya this time, Virgo, okay? The Strength card is telling you, be consistent. The Strength card is being clarified by the Nine of Wands. Yes, kahit pagod na, kahit marami kang gustong gawin, feeling mo, you know what, yes, I want this, pero I really need to do other things, o ganyan, parang malilingat ka, and then bigla-bigla mag-enjoy ka na sa ibang bagay, hindi mo na to pagtutuan ng pansin. So parang, wag magtampo ang grasya at wag magtampo yung minanifest mo sa'yo. Dapat focus pa rin. Nandun pa rin yung tiwala at pagmamahal mo sa bagay na gusto mong gawin. Hindi ka dapat, napapagod tayo, nagpapahinga tayo, magbabakasyon tayo panandalian, o kaya we do other things on the side para hindi ka ma-burn out, hindi ka rin mawalan ng gana sa bagay na ito. Pero lagi mo daw iisipin kung paano mo siya pinagdasal noon, ano yung mga pagod, pinagdaanan, mga problema, pagkadapa na pinagdaanan mo at bumangon ka uli para lang makuha itong minanifest mo na ito. Lagi mo daw alalahanin yung pagod, lahat ng sinacrifice mo, lahat ng mga binigay mo before just to get where you are right now. And it will give you the desired strength para kapitan at panghawakan itong blessings na ito in the near future. Okay? In the area of your challenge, you have the Two of Wands. Challenge this time is to have a clear mindset of what we really want moving forward. Parang this time, ngayong Mayo, ang pinaka-problema, yung clear vision kung paano natin dadalhin tong manifestation na to ng pangmatagalan. Halimbawa, nakuha mo na tong negosyo na to, ayan, naituyo mo na. Ano yung plano mo sa kanya for the next 2 years, for the next 5 years? Hindi pwedeng kung ano yung kakagawa mo now ay epekto pa rin siya for the next 5 years. Nagbabago din ang mga clients, nagbabago din ang takbo ng negosyo, di ba? So you have to keep on with the times. Kasi sinasabi sa'yo ng Two of Wands is to have continuous beautiful vision para sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Seeing here for others, meron kang indecision, minsan gusto mo to, minsan hindi, minsan dilipat ka sa kabila, minsan hindi. So make sure that you make up your mind this time. May isang desisyon, isang paninindigan, isang ilalaban. Hindi pwedeng pa iba-iba para hindi na sayang oras, panahon, pera, pagod mo, di ba? And I'm seeing you trying to get out of your comfort zone. Ayaw mo na namang lumabas sa mga bagay na feeling mo hindi ka comfortable, ayaw want to try new things, para ikaw kulong ka na naman sa lugar mo. Tinan mo siya, nakatayo lang siya sa kanyang bahay, sa kanyang bakod, tinatanaw lang niya yung paligid. Nakikita niya yung ganda ng paligid pero ayaw niyang itry. Ando lang siya nakatayo. Pero usually si Two of Wands, handa siyang tumawid para pumunta doon sa mga bagay na hindi pa niya napupuntahan. So ikaw, the challenge for you here is try something new. Try something that is out of your comfort zone and enjoy things kahit hindi mo gamay o hindi mo alam. Enjoy the process of things. Ganyan. The Two of Wands being clarified by the Fool card. Yes. Trying new things. Full card is like taking risks, di ba? Jumping, taking the leap of faith, enjoying things na bago sa buhay mo. Magkaroon ka lakas ng loob na sumubok ng mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa before. So match yung sinabi ko kanina na ang challenge sa'yo this month is trying new things na hindi mo pa nagagawa talaga. And enjoy. Minsan kasi takot tayo, di ba, Virgo? We're a great planner sa buhay natin. Kaya takot tayo minsan na sumubok ng mga bagay because lagi kailangan 5 step ahead tayo sa mga bagay na gusto natin gawin. At kapag hindi mo na nakikita yung plano going into the things, parang hindi mo na napanghawakan yung mga eksena, nagpapanik tayo. So, tinuturuan tayo ng spirit guides natin this month to really go out, enjoy, take risks, and have fun. And their growth is there. Yun ang sinasabi ng spirit guides mo. In the area of your fortune, you have the Lover's card. Seeing here, may pag-ibig ang darating, or I'm seeing someone getting what you want, getting what you deserve, and getting what you truly, truly desire sa puso mo. Sa area siya ng fortune na napakaswerte natin. Kasi lovers, hindi lang yan tungkol sa pag-ibig, tungkol yan sa mga pangarap, mga choices in life, career path, negosyo o trabaho. Kung ano daw yung mga deeply desired mo sa buhay mo, andyan na. Makukuha mo siya this month. Congratulations. The Lover's cards being clarified by the Hierophant. Yes, leveling up. Woo! May leveling up sa buhay natin, makukuha natin yung mga bagay na gusto natin. It will bring us to a whole new level of our life. I'm seeing you very, very happy. This is something that you prayed for in the past because Hierophant also is our connection to the spiritual realm. Lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdasal natin, siya ang tutulong at tumupad niyan. So, binababa niya sa atin yung mga bagay na kaloob ng Diyos. And I'm seeing here, what you want is something that God is given to you. So, congratulations. This is a blessed, blessed month. Lahat ng desires mo, pagkakaloob sa'yo, and leveling up tayo sa buhay. In the area of your divine advice, itong paalala sa atin ng Spirit Guides natin this month, you have surprises coming up. Mga bagay na hindi mo, unexpected gifts. Something na we truly, truly don't know na darating sa buhay natin this month. Para matutuwa ka na lang, magugurat ka na lang, andyan na. And God is telling you, be creative enough, be imaginative para kung ano man yung unexpected gift na pagkakaloob na sa atin, magkakaroon tayo agad ng clear imagination and creativity kung paano natin pangahawakan yung mga regalo na ibibigay nila. I don't know kung anong tong regalo na to because this is definitely a surprise. Pero sinasabi, malinaw ang spirit guides mo na panghawakan mo, i-accept mo, embrace it, at gamitin mo ng tama yung mga unexpected gifts this month. Pwedeng sa trabaho, sa negosyo, sa bahay, sa buhay, pag-ibig, pwedeng ganyan. Pero nire-require ka ng spirit guides mo na maging imaginative and creative kung paano mo gagamitin yung mga unexpected gifts. The Page of Cups being clarified by the Eight of Wands. Huwag ka daw ma-overwhelm. You're on the right path. This is good news, especially unexpected gift is a good news definitely. Nasa tamang direksyon ka daw ng buhay mo ngayon, kung ano mo pong ginagawa ninyo. At peace, be at peace na dahil dadaling ka ni God sa right direction. And I'm telling here, ang problema mo daw, ma-overwhelm ka. Ang dami-dami nangyayari. Good news after good news after good news. So parang overwhelming yung pagdating. So this time, kalmahan mo lang, enjoy, be creative, laging pagganahin ng isip para alam mo kung paano mo dadalhin ang mga blessings this time. Okay? Ang yung outcome, napakaganda, pag-usapan natin later. But first, as additional messages from the divine, you have, ito angel number ito ang i-embody mo this whole month, Virgo. You have number 12 or 1 and 2. Creativity is a driving force in your life. Creative naman tayo mga Virgo, di ba? Your imagination is rich. Especially here, and you are able to express your feelings and insights in unique ways that others can benefit from. I am visionary. So this time, karoon daw ng malinaw na imaginations, visions of what you truly want to have in life, at magagamit mo daw yun moving forward. Your imaginations are our blessings, okay? Itong area na kailangan pag-focusan this whole month, Virgo. You have denial. I acknowledge my fear, with the fear of taking risks, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Kung talagang, alam mo yun, try lang natin. Sometimes you just have to take away the fears and go for the things talagang bago sa buhay natin for growth, okay? Ito ang outcome mo this whole month, Virgo. You have the 7 of Wands. I'm seeing here, defending yourself. I'm seeing talaga we are in victory this time. Para napatunayan na natin sa sarili natin yung mga bagay na matagal natin gustong gawin. Para maraming naysayers sa paligid, mga hindi naniniwala sa atin, mga hindi naniniwala sa mga balak natin gawin. Ang tagal natin nag-search for the truth. Ang tagal natin naghanap ng purpose, ng passion, ng path natin. And here we are standing tall, proving ourselves to everybody and to ourselves na kinaya natin, nagawa natin, and we are standing tall in triumph and having this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful life. Blessings, bunga ng manifestations, bunga ng paghihirap, and bunga ng pagtatyaga with the patience of temperance here, and everything is in your hands right now. The 7 of Wands being clarified by the 6 of Swords. Wow! Going to calmer waters, going to peaceful life. Ang iyong pagtaguyod o pagtanggap at pagsugod at paglaban sa mga bagay na gusto mo, dadaling ka niyan sa tahimik na buhay, parang palayo sa gulo, palayo doon sa mga dating buhay na parang unclear, ay hindi sigurado, struggling. This time around, I'm seeing sa pagkatapos ng Mayo, you're going to a calmer, safer, beautiful, rich, full of abundant life. Wow, Virgo, this is one of the best readings that I have for you and for me then. So I'm very, very happy with this. No negative cards. I'm saying everything is all about abundance, luck, prosperity, guidance, and parang blessing sa deserve mo kasi ginamit to, nagmula ito mula sa matagal na paghihirap hanggang ngayon. You found the answers and andito na siya, nasa kamay na natin with the Ace of Pentacles. So Virgo, that is our May 2025 reading. Saan po kayo nakarelate, saan po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. This has been your friend, kapwa nyo Virgo, James, for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.